taking the first question, students, the first question asked in 2001. Question says minus 2 is less than equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3 less than equals to 1 5 upon x. If you closely observe, students, here we have three expressions. See this cursor. First, then this entire part second, and this one third. Okay. Now what's the logic? We will solve first and second. We'll draw a line. Then we will solve second and third. Understood, students? यहाँ पे first, this see the cursor second, ये पूरा second है, and this is third one. So पहले first and second, फिर बाद में second and third. So I have copied here first and second. See this, minus 2 I copied here, less than equal to I copied here, and I copied this second one full, half minus 2x upon 3. And here second and third. So half minus 2x upon 3 I copied here, and less than equal to 1 5 upon 6. I'll draw a line here. First I'll complete the left part, then I'll proceed to the right part. Okay. Minus 2 is less than equals to 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3. Now it's very simple, nothing to explain. I always believe, and you also always believe, to have x positive. So minus 2x upon 3 when transferred on left hand side, it becomes plus 2x upon 3. Be careful. Just for transferring of the terms from right to left, there will be no change in the inequality sign. Less than equal to remains less than equal to. Half as it is half. Minus 2 comes on right hand side, so becomes plus 2. Now this is something important. Here below this 2 we have nothing, that means here it is 1. Okay, where there is no 1 there is always 1. So now we can take an LCM here. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. See here 1 and 4 here, and below 2 ones are 2. Okay, and this is copied as it is here. So 2x upon 3 is here, 4 plus 1 5 upon 2 here, and we have less than equal to sign here. So now this 2 is multiplied with x. I just want x alone, so I'll send this 2, and this 2 will go in the denominator. See this, it came here, and this 3 which is at the denominator of this x will go at the top multiplied with 5. See here, so 5 3s are 15 and 2 2s are 4. So value of x is 15 upon 4. Will convert into decimal form, so its x is less than equal to 3.75. Okay, now moving forward to the right hand side. Now this side will solve. I just request you pause the video and you can solve it now. Half, see the cursor, I'll just zoom it a little. Half minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 1 5 upon 6. The first thing will be, I'll solve this mixed fraction. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 5. 11 upon 6 will come. Rest everything here same. My first aim will be, I'll make this fraction which deals with x a positive fraction, because I don't want x to be negative. So this entire minus 2x upon 3 goes on right, so becomes plus 2x upon 3. Half remains here as it is half. 11 upon 6 comes on the left hand side, becomes minus 11 upon 6. Now if you closely observe, this is important thing. You can solve in many ways, but I can see denominators to all three fractions. Okay, I can see denominators to all three fractions. So here what I can say is, the best case will be to make all the denominators same. Making all the denominators. So taking LCM 2 or LCM of 2, 6 and 3, and it becomes 6. LCM of 2, 6 and 3 is 6. So making common denominator as 6. See this. 6 कैसे बनेगा? This 2 should be 1 upon 2 is here. So 3 3 से multiplied. So that this 2 becomes 6. This minus 11 upon 6 will remain as it is. Here we have 3 here. So multiply this with 2 and this also with 2. So make it 6. So now all the denominators will become 6. So this is 6. So 3 ones are 3. So 3 minus 11. And here common denominator 6. 2 twos are 4. So 4x upon 6. I can say this 6 and this 6 can be cancelled out. So will remain with 3 minus 11, which is what it is. Minus 8. Yes. Less than equal to 4x. 6 can be cancelled. Yes, minus 8 is less than equal to 4x. 4 ones are 4 goes down, 4 ones are 4 twos are, so minus 2 is less than equal to x. Now the next step, understand this very carefully, and you have to do this in thoroughly throughout the chapter. Always you have to club both the answers. हमेशा स्टार्ट करने का नेगेटिव नंबर से. So see this, minus 2 is less than equal to x, then continue from here. So I'll show the screen in front of you. Minus 2 is less than equal to x, and then x is less than equal to 3.75. See this, I copied here minus 2 is less than equal to x here, and from here it was x is less than equal to 3.75. X I already wrote here, so I just continue with 3.75. This is important. And don't forget, replacement set is x belonging to natural numbers. So here my notes will come. So tell me, in natural numbers, do minus no, integers come? Negative integer comes? No. So minus 2, although it is equal to with x, but minus 2 will not come, minus 1 will not come, 0 even will not come, because natural number starts with 1. So what all will come? Solution set will be 1, 2, 3. See, I know here we have equal to sign and it is equal to 3.75, but decimal numbers are never included in natural numbers. So this 0.75 will be rejected. So we'll just stop up till 3. So 1, 2, 3. And in natural numbers, we denote the number which are inclusive by a darkened circle. So 1 inclusive, 2 inclusive, 3 inclusive. We have another question from 2009. Question is in front of you. I just want to highlight this. See this, see the cursor. This is my first term. First expression, I'll say, sorry. First expression. See the cursor. This entire is my second expression. And see this, will be my third expression. Once again, I have three expressions, and the most importantly, I have replacement set as x belonging to integers. Okay, so here integers are mentioned. So as previous sum, I'll take first expression here and the second expression. I'll draw a line, and then second expression 8x upon 3 plus 2 here less than equal to 2x plus 14 upon 3. So first and second year and second and third year. First I'll solve this one, then you can pause the video and you can start. I always feel to keep x as positive. So I was having x here. You can even call this minus 8x upon 3 on the left hand side. But what I did is, because I want to keep x always as positive, so I made this x to go on the right hand side. So x when comes here, it becomes minus x. Similarly, minus 3 is as it is here. 2 when comes on the left hand side, it becomes minus 2. Okay, so minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5. Once again, the same logic, 8x upon 3 copied as it is 8x upon 3. Below x, I have nothing. That means I have 1 here. Let's make the denominators same. So LCM is 3. So multiplying numerator and denominator by 3. So this will become 3x and this will become 3. So in the next step, this minus 5 will remain as it is minus 5. Both the denominators becomes 3. So common denominator 3. 8x minus 3x. So what is 8x minus 3x? It's 5x. Okay. Now I want to make x alone at one side. So 3 will go up. 3 will be multiplied with 5. So 15 minus 15 less than equal to 5x. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So minus 3 is less than equal to x. So I got the value of the first and second expressions. Now I also want to solve this right hand side. So now starting with the right hand side. Okay, here comes the right hand side. See here, 8x upon 3 plus 2 is less than equal to 2x plus 14 upon 3. Now here I'm bringing this 2x on left hand side, so it became minus 2x. You can even do, you can send this on the right hand side. It depends solely upon you. And 14 upon 3 was here, plus 2 comes here, so it becomes minus 2. Similarly, you have to solve it. Now no need to explain, I think so. Just we are doing the same thing again and again. So if you have any doubt, you can see from the video. After solving the entire thing, you'll reach that x is less than equal to 4. So now see students, answer for the first and second term was minus 3 less than equal to x. Answer for second and third term is x is less than equal to 4. And now my task will be to combine them, to club them. Okay, so let's combine them. So here it's there on the screen. Minus 3 is less than equal to x. I copied here as it is, and x is less than equal to 4. So as x was already written, so I just wrote less than equal to 4 here. And don't forget, we have x belonging to integers. So integers mein so negative numbers also comes. So everything will come. And because here it is equal to symbol, so minus 3 is inclusive. And here also we have inclusive symbol. So 4 is also inclusive. So lower limit is minus 3 and upper limit is 4. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 comes in the solution set. Now proceeding to what? Yes, to the number line. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are inclusive. So a darkened circle here. Hope you are understanding, students. Proceeding to the next question on the screen. This question is from 2014. Question number 1, sub question B, 3 marks. You know the logic, students, why I am selecting random questions? First question I selected was belonging to natural numbers. Second question, the previous one which we did, it belonged to integers. Now the question which we are doing, it belongs to the whole numbers. Okay, here also as always we have three expressions. First one, this is the second expression, entire thing, and this is the third. So how will we solve it? First expression with second expression, then second expression with the third expression. So see, I wrote here minus 2 pi by 6 less than 1 upon 2 minus 2x upon 3, and once again 1 upon 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than equal to 2. Okay, so first I'll solve the left hand side and then I'll proceed with the right hand side. You know, students, another reason for selecting this sum was here I have mixed fraction and a minus sign here. You know what happens? Majority of the students, what they do, they multiply this. 6 into minus 2, they say minus 12. And minus 12 plus 5 is how much? Minus 12 plus 5 is how much? When you calculate it, it becomes minus 7. But it will be wrong. Answer is minus 17. Why? While calculation, you will not consider this minus sign. So 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Now you will consider minus. So minus 17 upon 6. Okay. Then as it is, we copied here everything. Now, as you know, we need to bring x wala terms on one side. Here x wala term is only 1, which has minus. So I'll bring this minus 2x upon 3 on left hand side. So it becomes plus 2x upon 3. Okay. Less than as it is less, half as it is half. Minus 7 upon 6 goes on right hand side, so becomes plus 7 upon 6. Now if you see here, I have here denominator 3, here I have denominator 2, here I have denominator 6. So if I take LCM of 3, 2 and 6, it comes to 6. So multiplying here both the sides, numerator and denominator by 2, 2. Here also numerator, denominator by 3, 3. Just to make this as 6 and this to make this as 6. So what will happen? It will become 2 2s are 4x upon 6 less than 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 upon 6 plus 17 upon 6. Now 4x upon 6 copied here as it is, common denominator 6 here, 3 plus 17 will be here. 6 6, both the common denominators can be cancelled on opposite sides. So 4x is less than 17 plus 3, 20. 4 1s are 4, 5s are. So x is less than 5. This is the answer of my left hand side of the page. Now I'll solve. This is the answer for first expression and second expression. Now I'll solve the second and third, this blank part. Pause the video and you can solve it. Okay. Here we have same thing here. So I'll take this minus 2x upon 3 on the right hand side. So this becomes plus 2x upon 3 and I'll bring this 2 on left hand side, becomes minus 2. Please solve it. Any doubt, you can pause the video. Entire thing, you can solve it. It's very simple. Okay. So I'll stop here. See here. I'll reach till the step minus 9 is less than equal to 4x. I just want to get the value of x. So I'll send 4 down. So minus 9 upon 4 is less than equal to x. 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So 1 is the remainder. So decimal point, I'll add 0. It becomes 10. 4 2s are 8. 2 is the remainder. So it becomes 20. The 4 5s are 20. So answer is minus 2.25. So your value of x is, see the cursor, minus 2.25 less than x. So once again we got two values. Here x less than 5. Here minus 2.25 less than equal to x. Once again I need to club it on. So to club it, we always start with negative numbers. So first I'll start with this. Say please, all of you say. Yeah, answer is on the screen. Minus 2.25 less than equal to x I copied here, and here it was given x is less than 5. X I already wrote here, so less than 5 here. So like this I can club it. But be careful students, here x belongs to whole number. So in whole numbers, decimal numbers too don't come only, but negative numbers also don't come. So your replacement set will start from 0 onwards. So, and it is less than 5. Here 5 is not inclusive. So it will stop at 4 only. So on the screen, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2.25, minus 2, minus 1 will not come. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be having a darkened circle. Okay, students. Now moving on to the next question. See, students, when you realize one thing, questions are pretty simple. This is a simple chapter. First, I solved a sum where x belongs to natural numbers, then x belongs to integers, then previous one x belongs to whole numbers, and now I solved a question where x belongs to real numbers. It has been seen, students, listen this very important point, that from last 10 years, if I consider the statistics, I will say from 10 years, approximately 8 years, they ask the questions from real numbers domain. They hardly ask for natural number, integer, or whole numbers. Understood? But the difference lies only in the last step while writing the solution set. Entire sum remains same. Okay. Once again, we have three expressions. First expression, see the cursor. Second expression, and here the third expression. In the first case, I'll draw the line here and I'll solve the first expression, 3x plus 3x upon 5 plus 2, and the second, x plus 4. And here I will solve second and third, x plus 4 less than equal to x upon 2 plus 5. First, I'll solve this first and second expression. Okay. Can I say 3x upon 5 will be here as it is, x comes on the left hand side becomes minus x, 2 comes on the right hand side becomes minus 2. Once again, below x I have nothing. So when we have no one below x, it is 1. But I need here 5 to have a common denominator. So multiplying numerator with 5 and denominator with 5. And here less than symbol, 4 minus 2 is 2. What happens here? 5 into x, 5x. And here becomes the common denominator 5. So common denominator 5, 3x minus 5x less than 2. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x less than 5 multiplied with 2. See the arrow. So becomes 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So minus x is less than 5. Now comes a very important step. Minus x is less than 5. I know that we can easily send this minus with 5. But when you send this minus with 5, you are actually multiplying both the sides by minus 1, a negative number. So inequality sign will reverse. ये less का हो जाएगा greater. So answer will be x greater than minus 5. Understood, students? Okay. Now proceeding with the right hand side. You can pause the video and proceed it. Okay. X plus 4 is less than equal to x upon 2 plus 5. I'm bringing this x upon 2 on the left hand side. It becomes minus x upon 2. 5 is here. 4 comes here. It becomes minus 4. Here also you will take LCM and so on. Everything is there in the video. You can see. Okay, students. So at the last we'll reach x is less than equal to 2. Another important key point, students. यहाँ पे we got the value x is greater than equal to minus 5. Greater than minus 5, sorry, not equal to. And here x is less than equal to 2. हमेशा दोनों स्टेप को कंबाइन करना होता है. For combining, I will say the word compulsory, although it is not, but I will say the word compulsory for the correct answer to avoid confusion, that हमेशा दोनों आंसर्स में यू कीप लेस देन का सिंबल. Understanding? You keep less than का symbol in both the answers. See here on the screen, please see on the screen, here it was x is greater than -5, but always keep less का symbol. I'll translate this, see my cursor, I'll translate this in Hindi. यहाँ पे है x बड़ा है -5 से. So हिंदी में क्या होगा, अगर x बड़ा है -5 से तो -5 छोटा है x से. So I wrote here -5 is less than x. Understanding, students? Why I did so? Like x greater than -5, matlab -5 is smaller than x. I wrote here like this because you should have less than symbol. दोनों less के symbol हो गए तो easily we can club. So now I combine -5 is less than x, and from here x is less than equal to 2. Understood? And be careful, here x belongs to real numbers. X belongs to real numbers here. So what will be the solution set? It will be in the form of what? It will be in the set builder form. X, a slash, which is called as is such that x belongs to real numbers, comma, and here just copy this as it is. Okay. See how to write this. Okay. So we have something here. First time we are drawing a bridge now. We can see -5 is not inclusive to x. Understanding, students? See, once again, if you want, I can highlight this note. -5 here, see this -5 is not inclusive to x. here equal to का symbol नहीं है. But can I say -5 के बाद में क्या आता है? -5 के पहले number before -5 क्या आता है? It's -4. Can I say -4.9999 is inclusive? So we cannot leave this -5. We will highlight it. So how to highlight it? By hollow circle. This happens only wherever real numbers ka domain is there. So hollow circle. Understood? And here x is equal to 2. So 2 will be highlighted with darkened circle here. So see this, -5 a straight line, 2 a straight line, a bridge here, and ये hollow circle -5 पे. This hollow circle shows कि सिर्फ -5 नहीं है, मगर -4.9999 तक भी आ सकता है. And every infinite numbers I have in between them, everything within this bridge. See, you have to shade this bridge like this, and here darkened circle. Hope you are understanding, students, this. Okay, so by this we complete this 2020 question. Next question which I'll be solving, it is the most typical question. Okay, so to start with it, I have some notes for you in front of the screen. So students, let's start with our note. I repeat, I'm solving a typical question. A similar type of question was once asked in 2005, but it was much diluted one to compared to what I'll be solving the numerical. Okay. Union. There is one term, union, in sets chapter, denoted by this symbol. Okay, this symbol denotes union. What does it means? It means union means merging two or more set. अगर हम दो से ज्यादा सेट्स को मर्ज कर या दो से ज्यादा सेट्स को मर्ज करते हैं तो we call it as union. Merging two or more than two sets. Second concept, intersection, denoted by this symbol. I can say this is like U and this is like ulta U. What does U mean by intersection? Intersection means highlighting or writing down only the common elements from between two or more than two sets. Let's take an example fast to understand the concept. Example, let us suppose I have a set A which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. I have another set B having elements 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are my two sets. First, I like to find A, U, B. Don't say U, it is union B. A union B. What is A union B? What do you mean by union? Merging two or more sets. So if I want to merge this, I just have to club it off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I just copied from here. But if you see here, 3, 4, 5, 6 I have here. But 3 and 4 I have already copied here because it was there in the previous set A. So I'll just copy 5 and 6. I'll not write this 3 and 4. The reason is it's a property in sets that duplicacy of elements is not allowed. We cannot duplicate the elements. One element should exist one time only. Okay. Next, A intersection B. The symbol is for intersection. What does intersection mean? What does intersection means? Common elements. Just search for the common elements between A and B. Yeah, it's pretty simple. 3, 4 is here, 3, 4 is here. So answer is 3, 4. This is A intersection B. Okay. Now comes here the question.